Okay, so this is our home. Yay! So on your right side, this gonna be my beauty room. My beauty room. Finally, we have a beauty room, and it has a window that I can see it from outside. It looks okay. So that's gonna be my beauty room. Yeah, we're just gonna put doors in there, and then here on the other side is closet. Let's open up the closet. Extra closet, and internet is gonna be connected in there. That's the closet, and then we do have window from the front, and then bathroom. Hi. So we're out of the bulb. So this is gonna be, it has window and toilet. Everything is brand new, and yeah. So let's go to upstairs first. So we still have plastic carpet. Everything is brand new. Paint, carpet new. So okay, that's the stairs. Sorry. And here is our laundry. Okay, this is the laundry room. Good thing is it has 3 windows, and we don't have our washing machine and dryer. It will come tomorrow, so tomorrow. And same wood floor. Okay, let's go to the first room here. This is the first room, and I'm thinking this is gonna be a guest room, so there's no light in here. And I'm thinking, since we don't have guests regularly in our house, this would be my office, because I will go back to work hopefully online. This is the closet, big closet. Yeah, just a closet. So hopefully this is gonna be my office, since like I said, we don't have visitor yet in our house. So first room, and then here is extra closet. I'm sorry, I don't know if extra closet here, extra closet. Yeah, gonna be extra closet. And this would be the second bedroom, and this would be Josh's office, my husband's office. His office, his workplace, because he's working work area. He's working home, so this is gonna be his office / whatever, a game room, whatever he has. So it's one window, and then this would be the second bathroom, but the other one is only a bathroom. This one has a shower, and hello, it has 2 sinks, and the same color. The cabinet, same color, everything same color from the kitchen that I will show you later. So yeah, that is the toilet there, and the shower and tub. So shower, and it has a tub and another closet. Oh God, thank God for closet, extra space for towels and everything. So this is the second bathroom and toilet bathroom. So this is our master's bedroom, and this is our master's closet. It's huge. It's like a big room. Like, it's huge. Closet, master's closet. And then this is our room, and that area, maybe we can put like TV here. And then this is the master's bathroom. Thank God we don't have a tub. So shower there, and it has extra window that you can open up, which is good, extra light. And shower, maybe we're gonna change the shower. I'm not a fan of a shower, it's small, but that's the sliding door. Oh, sorry. So yeah, that is the shower, and the cabinet is still the same as earlier. And this side is where the toilet, and thank God it has a door, so you have your privacy, doing a number 2 and number 1, whatever. So that's the toilet. Yeah, and you're just facing a wall. That's it. So love. So let's go to the the first floor, the kitchen. Okay, we are going to the kitchen and living room, but another closet here. Actually, it's not, it's just for water heater. And then yeah, so this side would be our dining area going outside. So the sliding door, yeah, maybe I'll take a video later for outside. But this area here is our living room, kitchen, open kitchen, and then the cabinets, and our pantry is big. It's huge. Yeah, really huge pantry, which is good. And then here, fridge. Our fridge will come, I think, tomorrow. So yeah, all the furniture will coming tomorrow. And then the sink here, and cabinets. We have our dishwasher and our nice, what is this, a microwave, and our burner. And good thing we have a 2-door oven. Yes. So go in here is where our dog, maybe we'll put her food and water here so she can eat. And this door, I'm sorry if you what you call this, dizzy, this door going to garage. So we have 2-car garage, and we have a stairs going down. So we have 2-car garage. Yeah. Okay, let's go outside. We don't have a big what you call this, outside space, but better than nothing. So this is, holy cow, I think we're gonna have a snow. So this is our backyards. Very fresh, nothing in there yet. Oh, hello, snow. Yeah. There you go. That's it. And it's snowing. Wow. Are we gonna have white Christmas? Maybe. And that's it for our empty house tour. I hope you like it, guys. And maybe next time when we could put our furniture, especially my beauty room, I'm gonna do another video for that. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.